to share with you my shower routine while I'm traveling. Well, kind of, sort of. Usually when I travel, I always have shower site products, but unfortunately I don't. But still, we got this. The first thing I want to do is wash my face with this product that was given to me by a company called Youth. I'm going to have everything in the description box so you can check it out yourself. And I'm going to use a pea size. My all-time favorite body wash is Brown Sugar by Caress. It smells so amazing. Side note, I usually don't use face towels, but since I didn't bring my sponge or my hand gloves, this will have to do. Let's move on to the sugar scrub. Trust me, if you use this, your legs will be so smooth. Since I'm going to be wearing a dress today, I need to make sure that my legs will be clean. So this is the shaving cream that I like to use. Yes, it's that time again. I know. And I'm on vacation. Not a good combination. This body cream that I'm going to be using, it's okay. I'm not a fan of it, but I'm just trying it out. And this is about like the third use, but it's going to get the job done. Finally, I can put it on my body spray, and now it's time to do makeup. But that's going to be in the next vlog, so I'm going to end this video here, and then I'm going to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope that you enjoyed this mini docu-series. I'm going to list all the videos that I have recorded or going to be recording while I'm out here on this little mini girls trip. So, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later.